Hi guys, this is Silas. Today we will unbox Note 10 Lite and look at it and make a short review. The box has a black design and this is shiny tone, like right Mi Note 10 Lite. The other side, this is about some warranty bags. This is from Turkey, and this place we have some information about phone. And let's open the box. And I'll put it out. Let's pull out this plastic. And it has some warranty bags. Let's look at the box. It's a little bit hard to open it. Yes, the phone is here. This is the phone and it writes some information about phone. The name of the phone, Mi Note 10 Lite, and also some information about screen. 6.47 Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display. It protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. Also it has aluminum frame. It has 64 megapixel high resolution quad camera, and also it has a ultra wide and macro lenses. About battery, it has 5260 milliampere high capacity battery and also 30 watt fast charging. It has Snapdragon 730G 8nm high efficiency processor, and the back is here. Let's put out this plastic. Let's just put this here. This is phone, and let's look at the what inside the box. In the box we have this one. Let's look at it. This is SIM ejector tool, and yeah, we have a case here. Yes, this is silicone case and some information, some paper and warranty paper, user manual, and this is a good case, silicone, and as you can see the M10 has a light and little bit lighter than the other one. And in the box we have a special cable. This cable is not a standard cable because it supports high ampere. It writes here, I think 3 ampere, or yes, this is 3 ampere battery. 3 ampere cable. It is not a standard USB Type-C, Type A to Type-C battery cable, sorry. And yeah, here we have a 30 watt charge adapter. This is because of you are in the Europe area. Yes, that's it. As you know, in Chinese brand there isn't any headphone. Let's look at the phone. Important one is phone, you know. Let's look at the phone. Yes, phone has a curved display. Here we have volume rocker and power button. Here is SIM tray. This is 3.5mm audio jack, Type-C, microphone and speaker. Yes, unfortunately this model has mono speaker. In this part it doesn't have anything. And here we have a microphone and IR blaster. Yes, this phone has IR blaster. The back has, this is black color. Actually it's not right black, it has midnight black. You know, Chinese brand has different and strange name about color. Space gray, midnight gray, just you can say that black. This is little bit shiny gray, and here we have good camera concept. As you can see, with this bump is not very high. We can say that like approximately very 1 millimeter. True dual tone flash. This is main camera, 64 megapixel, and this one macro, ultra wide and depth sensor camera. Camera has 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro, 5 megapixel depth camera, and this model is 128 gigabytes, 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and it has, I said, that Snapdragon 830G CPU, and screen is 6.47 inch. It has 398 ppi and Full HD plus, and also it has a drop notch. Yes, this is in screen fingerprint because of this is AMOLED screen. Actually, it's very bright screen, and it has MIUI 11. Actually, this phone is very powerful and fast phone, and the screen, as you can see, is very good. Look at chin, the border is very thin, and the design is good, and also it has Google Play services, and that's all. And when we come to the camera has a good, yes, when we come to the camera, it has a good, it has a wide angle, it's a good wide angle, normal camera, and just macro and telephoto camera. Actually, it's good. Yes, and also it has a 64 megapixel Ultra HD resolution. It took so much file capacity, but it has much more details, and it has, and you can keep macro mode. You can just make very detailed photos. Yes, as you can see, we are very close to image. Yes, actually this one is good, and this is very budget phone. I can advise to all of them. It's a budget phone. It has a good design, good camera, a really good camera, not just a garbage. Just they don't put camera to make it just we have a lot of camera, but they are really good and works good. Just fingerprint magnet the back of, and this is glass also. You know, in this area we have two models, Redmi Note 9 Pro and this one. Actually, this one is much more better and good decision, because Redmi Note 9 has aluminum frame, and also it has a LCD panel and not so much huge as like this. Look at this, this is very good. This screen AMOLED, just it's enough, I think, and this chin is very narrow. This board, we can say that borderless, and also this is waterfall edge screen, edge to edge. The front camera is good, and I highly recommend this device. This is a budget phone, really budget phone. It is cheap, it has a good camera, it has a good processor. This CPU is good, actually good. You can make good game performancing and for data driver. What do you think about this phone? Is it a budget phone? Is it a viable this phone or Redmi Note 9 Pro? Let me know in the section below. Thanks for your watching, and catch you next.